Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create custom WordPress login and registration forms using WPForms step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have stylish, user-friendly forms on your site that go way beyond the default WordPress versions. This will help you streamline your user experience, collect exactly the information you need, and leave a great impression on your site visitors. So let's jump right into the process. First, we'll need to install and activate the WPForms user registration add-on. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and in the sidebar, hover over WPForms, then click on Add-ons. This is where all the extra features for WPForms live. Take a moment here if you need. Sometimes the add-ons page can take a few seconds to load everything, especially if you have a lot of plugins. Once you're in, scroll down until you find the user registration add-on. Click Install Add-on, and after that, be sure to hit Activate. That's it, you're now all set to create user forms. This add-on is what unlocks the door for adding registration and login features to your site. With the add-on active, let's move on to actually creating your custom forms. In your dashboard, go to WPForms and select Add New. Give your form a name, something descriptive like Custom Registration Form or whatever makes the most sense for you. Now you'll see a list of templates. Pick the user registration form template if you want people to sign up for your site, or go for the user login form if you're creating a sign-in form. What's nice here is WPForms has set up all the essential fields for you already. Things like name, username, email, and password are mapped to WordPress user fields automatically, so the techie groundwork is done for you. But here, where you can make the form truly your own. With the drag-and-drop builder, you can add or remove fields as your site requires. For example, maybe you want to ask for a phone number, let users upload a profile picture, or add a short bio. All of this can be done with just a few clicks. If you're not sure which fields to include, think about what information will actually be useful for you or your community down the line. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings later. When you're happy with your custom fields, don't forget to click Save so your hard work is locked in. Now, it's time to actually publish your forms and get them live on your website. You'll want a dedicated page for each form you create, so users aren't stuck with the rather plain default WordPress forms. In the form builder, look towards the top for the big Embed button, click it, and you'll get an option to create a new page right away. Type in a page name like Register or Login, and then click Let's Go. WordPress will automatically take you to a new page draft, and your form is already added in using a WPForms block. It's really that quick. All you need to do is click Publish, and your page goes live for your users. You'll just repeat this for each form you need: registration, login, and even password reset if you want those to match your new style. And that's really all there is to it. With your new custom forms, you'll have a smooth onboarding process that's tailored to your website's needs, and your users will definitely appreciate the seamless experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have ideas for future tutorials. Make sure you subscribe for more WordPress tips, tricks, and guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.